Hey, everyone, get ready to meet the smartest bird on the block. This is Kiki, my amazing green parrot. Just look at those stunning feathers and that bright yellow head. Isn't he a beauty? But Kiki isn't just a pretty face. He's got some incredible tricks up his sleeve. Or should I say under his wing? First up, the classic wave. Kiki, can you say hello to everyone? Look at that. He lifts his little foot and gives a perfect wave every time. So polite. Next, hold on to your hats for the spin. With just a little encouragement, Kiki will do a full 360-degree turn on his perch. What a little dance! And for the grand finale, we have a game of watch as he flies off, grabs his favorite little ball, and brings it right back to my hand. Who needs a dog when you have a parrot this clever? Kiki is such a wonderful companion, always making me smile. Thanks for watching his amazing tricks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of our adventures.